Hey guys, here is another question. Given that the inverse trigonometric functions take principal values only, then the number of real values of x which satisfy sine inverse of 3x by 5 plus sine inverse of 4x by 5 equal to sine x are. So we need to find the number of real values of x. So let's take sine on both sides. This side, that is sine inverse of 3x by 5, becomes 3x by 5 multiplied by root of 1 minus 16x square by 25, that is the square of this term, plus this term on the outside multiplied by root of 1 minus the square of this term, and sine of sine inverse x is x. So we cross multiply 25 throughout, and we get to 3x into root of 25 minus 16x square is equal to 25x minus 4x root of 25 minus 9x square. So we can say that x is equals to 0, or this term is the remaining term over here. And what we will do is we will simplify over here, that is we square each term. We get this square, that is 9 times 25 minus 16 square, and this is a minus b the whole square, which becomes a square minus b square plus 2ab. Now plus 2ab is over here, and this is b square. Now once we have that, we simplify and get this term over here. So root of 25 minus 9x square becomes 4, and x square, then you can simplify to get 1, and x becomes plus or minus 1. So there are the total 3 solutions, that is these two and x equal to 0. Thank you.